Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'll be showing you how you can request for the confirmation of your email in the Lovoo app. So to many of you who do not know what Lovoo is, basically Lovoo is a dating app where you can talk to people, you can meet new strangers, get matches, go live and do much more crazier things. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and open our Lovoo app. After opening the app, you can see something like this pops up on your screen. Now, you need to click on the top left option, that is your account option. Once you have clicked on it, your profile or your account pops up on your screen. Now, you need to click on the top right option, that is the settings option. Once you have clicked on the settings option, you can see something like this pops up on your screen. These are the different types of settings available here. Now, you need to check on the app settings and click on the first option, that is the My Account option. Once you have clicked on it, you can see different types of settings here. Now you need to see the Confirm Email Address option, and then you need to click on the option Request Confirmation of Email. Now what you need to do is go ahead and open your Gmail. After opening your email, you can see the Lovoo app has sent some email confirmation in your Gmail account. You need to click on it. Once you have done it, you need to scroll a bit down and click on the option Confirm Email Address. After this, you need to click on the option Continue to Lovoo. Once you have done this, you have successfully confirmed your Gmail in the Lovoo app. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching our video. Have a good day.